All right, so we're looking at example 1 for A2 4-2. So here's just a little thing to start with. So when you're looking at these problems, you're going to first label the triangle with the given information. You're going to be given some sides. Then you're going to also label those same sides with that opposite, hypotenuse, and adjacent kind of thing. It really doesn't matter which you do first. Just pick one and go with it. All right, so example 1 gives me AZ equal to 10. So AZ, that would be over here. AX is equal to 15. And XZ is equal to the square root of 125. Don't worry about those weird numbers. We will be dealing with weird numbers. It'll be okay, I promise. Okay, so then, again, remembering, I'm going to actually write those, that acronym up at the top here, that SOHCAHTOA. And if you can remember that, then you've got half the battle down because you just have to set them up. All right, and in example 1, so again, I told you guys that they were going to tell us which angle to use. You just need to know where to find that. It's that letter that's next to the sine, the cosine, of the tangent in the parentheses. So in this example, they're asking me to find tan of x. So that means that they want me to use angle x. So angle x is the angle we're going to be looking at and labeling that hypotenuse, adjacent, and opposite from. So from 4-1, we know that the hypotenuse is always directly across from the right angle. So here's my right angle. The hypotenuse would be that 15. So that's my hypotenuse, and I'll just abbreviate that. And then I'm using that angle x to figure out what the other pieces are. So opposite of angle x would be that side AZ. So that 10 is my opposite. And then that leaves my remaining XZ side to be the adjacent. So tangent of x, so when I set this up, I'm going to write just like I did. Tan of x is equal to, tangent was my TOA, or going back up a little further in the notes where it's written out. Tangent is the fraction opposite over adjacent. So that means they want opposite over adjacent, which I'm going to fill in with the side lengths from the problem. The opposite side was 10, and the adjacent side was that square root of 125. So the tangent of x is equal to 10 divided by the square root of 125. And for now, for this lesson, that's all we're going to do with that. We will take that further in future lessons, but for now, we're just setting that fraction up.